Welcome to our exciting exploration of the most reliable vehicles ever made. In this video, we'll dive into a fascinating lineup of cars and SUVs that have set the standard for durability and performance. From the iconic Toyota Corolla to the luxurious Volvo XC90, these vehicles are celebrated for their longevity, low maintenance costs, and unmatched dependability. Whether you're a fan of compact cars, powerful trucks, or versatile SUVs, this list has something for everyone. Get ready to uncover what makes these machines timeless favorites among drivers worldwide. Buckle up. This journey into automotive excellence starts now. Number 1. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla has earned its reputation as one of the most reliable cars in automotive history. Introduced in 1966, it has consistently delivered exceptional performance, making it a top choice for drivers worldwide. Its robust engineering, efficient engine options, and low maintenance requirements set it apart from competitors. The Corolla is built with longevity in mind, often exceeding 200,000 miles with proper care. Its simplicity and design ensures fewer mechanical issues, and Toyota's commitment to quality guarantees dependability. Whether used for daily commutes or long road trips, the Corolla performs seamlessly, saving owners money on repairs over the years. Coupled with excellent fuel efficiency and affordable ownership costs, it's no wonder the Corolla remains a global bestseller. With a legacy of trust and durability, the Toyota Corolla stands as a symbol of reliability and value in the world of automobiles. Number 2. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is a legendary compact car, celebrated for its reliability, affordability, and performance. Since its launch in 1972, the Civic has built a strong reputation for lasting durability, often running well beyond 200,000 miles with minimal maintenance. Its efficient engine, smooth handling, and quality construction make it a favorite among drivers of all ages. One of the standout features of the Civic is its low cost of ownership. With excellent fuel economy and affordable repair costs, it provides significant long-term savings. Honda's attention to detail and engineering ensures the Civic can withstand the test of time, even under heavy use. Its versatility, available in sedan, coupe, and hatchback models, offers something for everyone. Whether for daily commutes, road trips, or first-time buyers, the Civic remains a top choice, combining practicality and dependability in a stylish and comfortable package. Number 3. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is synonymous with reliability and comfort, making it one of the best-selling sedans worldwide. Introduced in 1982, the Camry has consistently delivered exceptional performance and durability, becoming a go-to choice for families and professionals alike. Known for its robust engine options and smooth driving experience, the Camry excels in longevity, with many models easily surpassing 200,000 miles. Its straightforward design ensures fewer mechanical issues, while Toyota's commitment to quality guarantees long-term dependability. The Camry also offers excellent fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs, making it an economical choice for drivers. With advanced safety features and a comfortable interior, it combines practicality with luxury. Whether navigating city streets or highways, the Camry stands out as a reliable, hassle-free car that delivers exceptional value. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its reputation as one of the most reliable cars ever made. Number 4. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is a mid-size sedan renowned for its reliability, stylish design, and exceptional build quality. Since its debut in 1976, the Accord has consistently delivered outstanding performance, cementing its reputation as one of the most dependable cars ever made. Powered by durable and efficient engines, the Accord offers smooth handling and a comfortable driving experience. Its engineering prioritizes longevity, with many models easily reaching 200,000 miles or more with proper maintenance. The car's advanced safety features and user-friendly technology further enhance its appeal. One of the Accord's standout qualities is its low cost of ownership, thanks to its affordable repair and maintenance expenses. Whether for daily commuting or long-distance travel, it provides excellent fuel efficiency and comfort. The Honda Accord blends practicality with sophistication, offering a dependable vehicle that remains a favorite for families and professionals seeking long-term value and reliability. Number 5. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is a luxury SUV that combines elegance with unmatched reliability, making it a standout in its class. Since its introduction in 1998, the RX has set a benchmark for premium vehicles with its smooth performance, high-quality craftsmanship, and longevity. Powered by refined engines, the RX delivers a seamless driving experience, whether in urban settings or on long road trips. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand years of use, with many owners reporting trouble-free operation even beyond 200,000 miles. Lexus's commitment to precision engineering and high-grade materials further enhances its dependability. The RX also boasts advanced safety features, a plush interior, and cutting-edge technology, providing both comfort and peace of mind. Despite its luxury status, it offers low maintenance costs compared to competitors, adding to its value. For those seeking reliability wrapped in luxury, the Lexus RX remains an unbeatable choice in the SUV market. Number 6. Mazda MX-5 Miata. The Mazda MX-5 Miata is a sports car that perfectly blends fun, style, and reliability. Since its launch in 1989, the Miata has become an icon for enthusiasts seeking an exhilarating driving experience without sacrificing dependability. Built with simplicity and precision, the Miata is equipped with a lightweight design and a responsive engine that delivers thrilling performance. Its minimalistic engineering ensures fewer mechanical issues, making it incredibly durable and easy to maintain. Many Miata owners report trouble-free ownership well beyond 150,000 miles, showcasing its lasting quality. The Miata's affordable repair cost and excellent fuel efficiency make it a practical choice for a sports car. Its timeless design and engaging handling continue to win over drivers. Whether for weekend drives or everyday use, the Mazda MX-5 Miata proves that a reliable sports car can be both exciting and dependable, earning its place among the most trustworthy vehicles ever made. Number 7. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is a rugged and reliable crossover SUV designed for adventure and practicality. Introduced in 1994, it has become a top choice for families and outdoor enthusiasts due to its dependable performance and versatility. Equipped with Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive, the Outback offers exceptional stability and handling, making it ideal for diverse terrains and weather conditions. Its durable construction and robust engine ensure long-lasting performance, with many Outbacks reaching over 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. The Outback also boasts excellent safety ratings and user-friendly features, including a spacious interior and advanced technology. Its combination of reliability and off-road capability has solidified its reputation as a dependable companion for both urban commutes and wilderness adventures. With low maintenance costs and a history of durability, the Subaru Outback remains a trusted choice for those seeking a reliable vehicle that thrives in all environments. Number 8. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is a legendary SUV renowned for its unmatched durability, off-road capabilities, and longevity. Since its introduction in 1951, the Land Cruiser has earned a reputation as one of the toughest vehicles ever built, trusted in some of the world's most challenging terrains. Powered by robust engines and featuring a rugged body-on-frame design, the Land Cruiser excels in reliability, often surpassing 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Its engineering ensures that it can endure harsh conditions while providing a smooth and comfortable ride. The Land Cruiser is also known for its simplicity and low maintenance needs, making it a favorite among adventurers and families alike. With advanced safety features, a luxurious interior, and a rich history of dependability, it has remained a top choice for those who demand reliability. Whether for city driving or off-road exploration, the Toyota Land Cruiser delivers exceptional performance and long-lasting value. Number 9. Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 is a powerhouse in the pickup truck category, known for its incredible reliability and versatility. As one of the best-selling vehicles in the United States for decades, the F-150 has built a reputation for for delivering both rugged performance and dependability. Equipped with a range of powerful engines and advanced towing capabilities, the F-150 is ideal for both work and leisure. Its sturdy construction and innovative features ensure it can handle tough tasks, while its reliability keeps it running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal repairs. The F-150 is also celebrated for its low maintenance costs, making it an economical choice for truck owners. Whether for daily commuting or heavy-duty work, the F-150 consistently offers impressive durability and long-lasting value. With its proven track record, the Ford F-150 remains a top contender for anyone in search of a reliable, high-performance pickup truck. Number 10. Hyundai Elantra. The Hyundai Elantra is a compact car known for its affordability, efficiency, and surprising reliability. Since its debut in 1990, the Elantra has evolved into a well-rounded vehicle, combining modern technology, a comfortable ride, and long-lasting performance. Thanks to its efficient engine options and solid build quality, the Elantra consistently ranks highly in reliability. Owners often report trouble-free driving for well over 150,000 miles, with many models showing little need for repairs beyond routine maintenance. The Elantra's low maintenance costs add to its appeal, making it an economical choice for budget-conscious buyers. The car's sleek design, comfortable interior, and strong safety features further contribute to its reputation. With impressive fuel efficiency and affordable pricing, the Hyundai Elantra remains a smart, dependable choice for anyone seeking a reliable compact car for everyday use. In a competitive market, the Elantra stands out as a consistent performer with excellent long-term value. Number 11. Volvo XC90. The Volvo XC90 is a luxury SUV known for its exceptional safety, comfort, and reliability. Since its introduction in 2002, the XC90 has established itself as one of the most dependable premium SUVs on the market, offering a perfect blend of advanced features and long-lasting durability. With a reputation for solid build quality, the XC90 offers a smooth and quiet ride, complemented by its sturdy construction. Many owners report high mileage reliability, with many vehicles surpassing 200,000 miles when properly maintained. The XC90's efficient engine options and low repair costs contribute to its long-term value. The interior is spacious, featuring high-end materials and advanced safety technology, making it a great choice for families. Whether used for daily commutes or long trips, the XC90 provides a reliable, luxurious driving experience. For those seeking a reliable luxury SUV with top-notch safety, the Volvo XC90 is a standout option that continues to deliver lasting performance. Number 12. Chevrolet Silverado. The Chevrolet Silverado is one of the most reliable and robust full-size pickup trucks available, known for its tough build and performance. Since its introduction in 1998, the Silverado has been a favorite for truck enthusiasts and workers alike, offering impressive towing capabilities and a long-lasting engine. Equipped with powerful engine options and a solid frame, the Silverado excels in both durability and performance. Many owners report high mileage and minimal mechanical issues, making it an excellent choice for those in need of a reliable workhorse. Its longevity is supported by Chevrolet's commitment to quality engineering and affordable maintenance. The Silverado also stands out for its comfortable ride and tech-savvy interior, ensuring a smooth and convenient driving experience. Whether used for heavy-duty tasks or everyday driving, the Chevrolet Silverado delivers dependable performance, making it a top choice for those seeking a lasting and capable pickup truck. Number 13. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius is widely recognized for its exceptional reliability and fuel efficiency, making it a standout in the hybrid car category. Since its launch in 1997, the Prius has been a pioneering force in the hybrid market, known for its long-lasting performance and eco-friendly credentials. Thanks to its hybrid engine system, the Prius offers outstanding fuel economy while maintaining a solid reputation for dependability. With minimal mechanical issues reported over the years, many owners find their Prius to be a trouble-free vehicle that lasts well beyond 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. Its simple design and low-cost maintenance make it an affordable option for drivers seeking a reliable, fuel-efficient car. The Prius's advanced technology and comfortable ride further contribute to its widespread appeal. For those seeking a dependable, environmentally conscious car with low operating costs, the Toyota Prius continues to be a top choice, combining reliability with incredible fuel efficiency. That's all for today's deep dive into this surprising social media drama. What do you think about the actor's actions? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more exclusive updates and behind-the-scenes stories.